Hello, my lovely students. Welcome to AM Sci Academy. I, Kumal ma'am, will explain you today with Chapter 6 Ratio and Proportion. A ratio is a comparison of measures of two or more quantities of the same kind by division. So, in this, we can take A and B as the value. So, let us start. If A and B are two quantities of the same kind, then the fraction A by B is called the ratio of A to B, and it is written as the formation of A is to B. Thus, the ratio of A to B we can write as A upon B or A is to B. We can see here, according to the examples, that how this ratio we can do it. So 8 by 9 or 8 is to 9, we can write in both the ways. So with this, in a short, we have done for the introduction. Now let's just simplify the following ratios. So 2 by 3 is to 1 by 15. Question is given to us. So in this question, mixed fraction is there. So this mixed fraction will convert into the improper fraction. So 2 3s are 6 and 6 plus 2 will get us 8. So our first will be 8 by 3 is 2. 15 ones are 15, 15 plus 1 will get us 16. So 16 by 15 will be the solution. Now A by B, so let us take 8 by 3 as the term of A and 16 by 15 as the term of B. So when we are having denominator ka bhi denominator, so it will get reciprocal. So 8 by 3 multiply by 15, 8 to 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 8 ones are 8, 8 2s are 16 will get. 5 ones are 5 and 2 ones are 2. So 5 by 2 will get the answer, or either we can even write this 5 by 2 or 5 is to 2 in the form of a ratio. So with this, we have done the question. So whenever such kind of question comes, first of all, convert into the improper fraction and solve. So for further, you can solve more questions. The next question is, if A is to B equals to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equal to 6 is to 7, then find the value of A is to C. A is to C की value को find out करना है. So we'll start with the solution. So here we'll write solve. What is mentioned in the question? So it is already given the value of A is to B and B is to C. So here we'll write that is given, that is A is to B equals to 3 is to 4. The meaning of it, that is A upon B, it will become 3 by 4. The second thing which is given to us, that is B and C. So B is to C, that is equals to 6 is to 7. So B by C, we can write it as 6 by 7 for it. Now, this will become our second equation. So when we are having two equations, we'll do multiplying equation 1 and equation 2 we get. So equation 1 हमारे पास था 3 by 4 and equation 2 हमारा हो जाएगा that is 6 by 7. So here what we will get, that is A by B multiplied by B by C. So in this we are having the value of A is to B multiplied by B is to C. So A is to B की value we are having, that is 3 by 4 and B is to C की, that is 6 by 7. So here we can see that in the numerator and denominator both the places B is there, so we'll cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 and 7 is not possible. 2 के साथ भी division नहीं होगा, so A upon C, that will be 3 3s are 9 and 7 2s are 14, so 9 by 14. So hence the required ratio of A is to C equals to 9 by 14, and with this solution for this question is done. The next question we are having, that is, if 3A equals to 5B equals to 6C, then find A, B and C. So हमें इसके ratios को find out करना है. So let us start solving. So the very first part we'll write here, that is, let 3A equals to 5B equals to 6C. All these numbers, they have the constant k in them, equals to k. Then we will get the solution for this question. So we will write here, that is, A equals to, every number has the constant k as a value of A. So we'll write as k by 3, B की value k by 5 and C की value, that is k upon 6. So यहाँ पे सभी की values को हमने place कर दिया है. But before we start with the next one, we'll write here, that is, A is to B is to C, that is k is to 3, k is to 5 and the next one is k is to 6. So इसके through we can do the further solution, जहाँ पे हम k की value को equal consider करते हैं 1 के according. So 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6 with the value of k that is equals to 1. Now we need to find out the value of A, B and C. So first of all हम A की value से start करते हैं. Total number of observation हमारे पास है. So range we need to find out. तो A की value is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 and LCM of 5, 6 and 3 का होगा 30. 5 3s are 15 and 15 2s are 30 because 6 और 3 का LCM दोनों 3 हो सकते हैं. So here we'll get as 30 LCM. Now we'll write here 1 by 3 multiply by 30. So 3 1s are 3, 3 10s are 30 हो जाएगा. B की value, that is 1 by 5 multiply by 30. So 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So 6 1s are 6 value हो जाएगी. C we are having, that is 1 by 6 multiply by 30. So 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So we had to find out the ratio of A is to B is to C. So where A की value is 10, B की value that is 6 and C की value हो जाएगी 5. So along this, the solution for this question is also done. I hope it is clear to you all how to find out the values of A is to B is to C when such kind of questions come to us. For more such videos, stay connected to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.